Hey everyone, it's Devin. So it's January 23rd, it's Saturday, and this is what I see right now. My aunt's dogs, so I'm watching her house. We got Macy and Minnie. That's Macy, that's Minnie. Minnie sits up. So yeah, it's kind of like a lazy Saturday. This is the cat, you can't really see her. She's licking, she's black. No big deal. So I was just watching some videos on YouTube, and somebody did a surprise birthday party, and it was kind of funny. The dogs are looking at me like I'm crazy. Like, what is she doing? Aw, they're panting. Put on Famous. Love this song. See the dogs. Dog wants to dance. Macy, come up. No. I'm trying to get my McDonald's sweet tea. What are you guys doing? The puppies? Puppies? Hi. They're good dogs. Hi, guys. No. Dogs look at me like I'm crazy. Like, what are you doing? She's just stretching. Yeah, Minnie. The puppies. The puppies. Hi. What are you doing, Minnie? Minnie. What are you doing? Macy, come here. Hi, puppies. Hi. Come here, Macy. Hi, come on. The dogs come lay with me. Just trying to get my McDonald's. It's got fries. So watch. They'll do chips for fries. See how excited they get? Sit. 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 The puppies. Sit. Minnie, sit. Oh, I haven't got any more. The puppy. Macy. The puppies. Just the dogs. The little dumb puppy. The little dumb puppy. There's not much to say. It's just a Saturday, and I'm not working because I'm watching my aunt's house, so nothing to say. Nothing to say. Look a puppy. Look a puppy. I don't know. Seeing both the dogs, they were sitting there staring at me, like Marley and Zoe, like Charles Trippy and Allie's dog. Just, like, sit there and stare in the mirror. They were sitting there staring at me earlier because they wanted food. It was so cute. I was like, aw, reminds me of their dogs. So, I don't know. My life's not as exciting, so my vlogs aren't as good. The dog's, like, in the frame. He's like, hey, I want to be in the camera. I want to be on the camera. I want to be in the camera. Look at me. I'm on the camera. I'm going to lay down. I'm going to lay down on you. I'm kind of too big to be a lap dog, but I lay down. And he's like, crazy people. Ow. Her leg right here is jabbing into mine. She thinks she's cute. She wants me to rub her belly. She wants me to rub her belly. Oh, look at the kid. Look at the cute. And the cat just lays there. Here, I'll turn my computer so you can see her. Oh. She's black. You can't see her that well. The dogs are all just chilling. Chilling like villains. Alright, well, I don't know. I don't got anything exciting to say. So, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.